What's up, YouTube? Quick little update on the car. Got new wheels. I had them for a little bit now. I just haven't posted a video. They're 19 and a half in the front and 19 by 11 in the back. 15 offset all the way around. This one has 215/35 in the front. This one 235/35/19. As you can see, I'm rubbing that a little bit. But yeah, these are 11 wide. I added a little bit of camber to it. Nothing crazy. A little camber to it. Not too bad. Yeah, that's how she's sitting. Figure I'll give a little update on, the VIN setup. I mean, it looked good. Yeah, it rubs a little bit, you see. I really don't have the fenders bent out so much. I might do that next. Roll the fenders out, the quarter panels a little bit better, and I shouldn't have that issue. Yeah, that's the only thing that's really new on the car, just wheel setup. But yeah, catch you on the next one.